Hey guys, it's Paul. I've got a quick demo on a new feature of Optinmonster. It's the spin to win. I've done videos on Spotify before where there's it's called Wheelio, and it was a really cool thing that used to have a feature that when you come to log out of a website on Spotify, it offered you a spin to win. It's the only time I've ever put my email address in a pop-up or something that offered me something. I'm going to show you why on the Optin Monster version. So you can see I've got various pricing on my courses, training courses. These are all inclusive of tax. Is why some of them are a weird price because it adds the tax, so people aren't surprised at checkout. Let me just turn that off. So what happens on this site is you're going to get people browsing your site and going, okay, well that is, $300, $30 a month. This one's so they might think about buying it. So teachable full training, $45. They're like, yeah, it sounds cool, but I'm not that bothered today. But as they go to leave, come on. As they go to leave, it didn't work the first time, did it? There's an exit pop-up, and you can set it to be a little bit more sensitive than that. That says you've activated a special unlock bonus. So before you leave, I want to give you a chance to win a discount. So you can see the wheels set up: 25% off, 10% off. No luck today. Spin again. Happy Me T-shirts. Free call with Paul. Not sure that'd be an actual prize. Happy Me hat, right? And all you've got to do, are you ready to try your luck? Enter email address below. So it's basically just saying, enter your email. So put Paul at paulnicholson.com. Try your luck. And it's going to stop somewhere around 10% off, right? Email has been added to a subscriber list. Obviously, building your email address, having an emails to be able to email people is a good thing. And here it is now is your 10% off. So don't forget your special discount code at checkout. So 10 off Paul. Log out here. Then I would enroll in course and then add that coupon code, right? And you get 10% off. So it's getting people to think, well, hold on a minute, just for today, it's got a chance of a discount. The Wheelio one was a bit funky because it said you've got 24 hours to use this code, and I think it generated a discount code specific and created a discount code within Shopify, which is cooler. Obviously, Optinmonster can't do that, but I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own Wheelio spin to win so that you get, let me clear the history. However you want it to do, you might want to put a button that says bonus, sign up bonus. You might want to add that Wheelio to a sign up page and it be the next step, right? You've got a chance now of a bonus. So as you go to close the window, that's how I've got it set up. If someone goes to leave, then it just opens up, and then we're going to show you exactly how to use it, okay? So I've logged into my Optinmonster, my back end, and this is the Paul Nicholson spin to win. So what I'll do is I'll create exactly what I've done here, but we'll show you it again working in full, and then we'll jump over and show you that one. So I'm going to create a campaign. It's a full screen one. I'm pretty sure it doesn't show up in any of the others, right? Yeah, it's just a full screen one because I think it has to take over the page. And you pick the color. Which color obviously best suits your site. A lot of my logos are blue, so I'm going to use this. Spin to win. Sign up. Pick whichever website it's going to go on. I'll just put paulnicholson.com and start building. So it's going to show the same information that I want. If you wanted to change it, if you want to, you change it over here. Before, oh no, I want the same text as this. Before you leave, before you leave, your special bonus has been unlocked. So you can change that. You can change the information here. You can change whether you have the email, whether you want more information here, if you want to add a name, enter your name, if you want a phone number. For GDPR, we promise not to sign, to use your email. You might want to add that. Privacy text. The buttons, you can change the button colors. Obviously, I'm guessing that you know how to use Optinmonster if you're watching this video. So I'm not going to show you exactly how to put buttons on and how to connect and stuff. But I'm going to show you exactly the main elements. So click on the wheel, and it says edit wheel sections. So one cool thing is it's easy to set up. Another thing, like I said before, you can't auto-generate coupon codes because you're not integrating with your Shopify or your Teachable website like me or whatever you're selling, right? So here's the wheel sections. The ones that are turned off are obviously you can't win. So it says not quite, or no luck today, or spin again. But you want someone to win every time they spin, so you just turn these off, right? Now what it does, again with Wheelio, you can set the percentage win chance. So obviously if you've got here 100% off, and it's 100 off there, so that's the code you're going to set up. Obviously you need, whatever platform you're selling, you need to be able to put codes into put this discount in, right? So 100% off. Now the problem is 100% off is going to come 12.5% of the time, just the same as 10% off. So you can't at this time edit the win chance. So if Optinmonster are watching, it'd be cool to be able to edit this to 5% of the time is 100% off, 25% of the time is this. And you're ready to go, right? So you basically just edit that, turn off the ones. If you don't want them to win 100% off, just turn it off, right? If you want them to have more information or whatever products you are going to add, you're just going to click on each one, type in whatever you've got, you know, free bike. I don't know, you might sell bikes, but you turn it off, right? They can't win it. So it might be a bit of a con, and it might not be the best practice, but it's business in it. You want to get emails, people's email addresses. So you might want to be careful about things that can't win. And save it. Just save it. Display rules, as in Optinmonster. Where do you want it to show up? You know, mine's set for exit of tent on a medium level, and you're going to then go to integrations. Add your integration. I only use MailChimp on here. I don't actually really use my Optinmonster account. It's more for test purposes. Well, I should use it more, to be fair. I just don't email people. I'm not a big fan of emailing people. Connect to MailChimp. Email provider. That's the one it's going to go to. Enable double opt-in. Make sure they want to be added to a list. Set your analytics as normal and publish, right? So publish this website, and then if your code is already installed, it would start working once you sent it live. So my code there, it's going to confuse it a little bit because I've got that other one working, isn't it? So once it's live, you can test it, okay? So if I go back to mine that is live, you can see as I've published it, all I do is I grab this code. As I say, I'm not in this for, if you've got Optin, if you're watching this, you've already got Optinmonster and you know how to do setting up the sign up consent and setting up the code to put it on your website. If you want a link to be able to just send people to a website, so you might say, here is the spin to win, and then I might go on my website and put in, so that it's not an exit set consent, I might go to my home page. Oh, I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there. It's going to show you stuff I don't want to see. I could then add that to a navigation here. So let's go to my free forum and go here and here and here. Edit, header, after header it is, and then I'm going to just paste that in there because I need to just grab one of these and copy it, paste that, add this to here, and I might put something like feeling lucky. I might put spin to win, I might put anything like that. And as I save that, right, so now in my free training platform, I've got this feeling lucky button. So I can put this obviously in any link or any post. I tried to leave then, that's why it showed that. Feeling lucky. So if anybody clicks the feeling lucky, it's going to show up as well, isn't it? And then they can put in their test 1313. Let's see if I can win a hat. I know I can't. The only reason I haven't, and this is the thing with Optinmonster, it would be cool to change the settings to offer things better. See, the 10% seems to come up a lot, even though it's only set up at 12.5%. But I think it's cool. I like it. I think people will add their email address when you're offering them a discount. You could put a discount today. You could put a timer on that. I can, in theory, put a let's have a look. Display, design, success. I should, in theory, blocks. Let's add a countdown. Where do I want it to go there? And end date, static, dynamic, end date, 7 days, 1 hour. Now I want it to be, maybe you want it to be 1 hour, 1 hour restart counter. Styles, I haven't done this for a while. Radio, font color, want it to be white, right? Make it wide, font size, make it bigger. Oh, let's not make it too big because it gets a bit zapped out. Font weight, line height, number, minimum weight, positioning, solid, border color, box shadow, background. Upload logo. It's cool. You've got to play with it. I wanted to make that background. First color transparent. Let's make the background white. What? Second color is white. Oh, there we go. Oh man. Oh yeah, it's gonna. So you have to play with this. Second color location. But you see what I mean. I don't want to slow you down too much. But now when I go here, let's go to my free training, which there is Optinmonster training. Somewhere down here, right? Optinmonster training, got it on your cookie. Feeling lucky. Test 1316. I just think it's a cool way to get people's email addresses. It's fun. It's not going to cost you a lot of money. I mean, people might moan that you've given certain people discount if people have paid in full somewhere else. I'd be gutted if it landed on free call. I landed on 25% off at last. And it's going to go there and say you've got 59 minutes to use it, or whatever you want to put in there. Just to boost that sale, to boost the thought process, to give them a little bit of anxiety into, well, I need to buy. So there's a couple of things that could be better. The coupon code and the offers could be better if we, the problem is obviously now in my Teachable, I can't turn that off. So if anybody watching this wants one of my training for 25% off, just stick that in. I can't limit it, I can't change it. But it's cool. and obviously I'd be able to monitor what I allow discounts on and what I don't. So give it a try. If you haven't used Optinmonster, give it a trial. Go to pnuk.co/Optinmonster. That's my partner link. I'll have put the partner link throughout this video. But hopefully that helps, and it's another great feature to your Optinmonster sign up or registration subscription. See you soon, guys.